Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with Google Analytics, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Google Analytics account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can view your data. Identify the key metrics that matter most to your investment strategy. Focus on user acquisition data to understand where your audience is coming from. Analyze the behavior flow to see how users interact with your website. Look closely at conversion rates for specific goals you've set. Set up custom alerts to monitor any significant changes in your data. Use audience segmentation to identify high-value customers. Compare different segments to determine which ones yield the best results. Review demographic information to tailor your investment approach. Utilize e-commerce tracking if you're operating an online store. Examine geographic data to identify potential markets for expansion. Regularly check the lifetime value of your customers for long-term insights. Implement A/B testing to optimize your campaigns based on data analysis. Adjust your marketing spend based on the performance of different channels. Keep an eye on the mobile user experience as it continues to grow. Integrate Google Ads with Google Analytics for comprehensive campaign tracking. Create dashboards that highlight your most important metrics for quick access. Schedule regular reviews of your data to stay informed. Develop a strategic plan based on your findings to guide your investments. Stay current on Google Analytics updates to utilize new features effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.